device, and in front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone gallery. Now choose the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit, and now select add picture. Now you can either grab a photo by tapping on camera, you can choose something from your gallery, you can pick one from your Google Photos, or add some monogram, whatever you prefer. Choose it, customize it however you like, tap on choose to apply it, and mark save. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.